In this video we get to know the Mirra Bot dashboard. What you are seeing is the home page of the platform. At the top left you will find the title and immediately below the list of all available sections. The first section at the top is the main dashboard. On the right are the total trades, the updated win rate, the total profit generated and the daily profit. Below you will find the open positions, i.e., the currently open positions together with the updated profit factor. As you scroll, you'll encounter detailed profit histories spanning 7, 30 and 90 days. On the right is the status of the bot, which can be active or offline. Key metrics include the count of trades opened and closed on the current day. Also on the right you will find again the open positions section, with the list of still open positions. Below are the details of the positions by asset, the PIR, the direction long and short. Since the bot operates in both modes, the entry with the opening time, the opening size, the leverage that can vary from x3 up to a maximum of x7 and the stop loss accompanied by the confidence level of the GDP. Below you will find your referral link. There is a 3-tier affiliate program that shows you the profit generated by the first tier, second tier and third tier direct. Scrolling down further, you can view the total earned, the total withdrawable and the impending quota, i.e., not yet available for withdrawal. The total number of members is also shown on the right. Here you can access all your direct communications linked to users who signed up using your referral code, along with their associated emails. Returning to the main section, you will find the trade history entry which contains the complete history of all positions closed by Mirra Bot. Immediately below is an analytical section that shows two main elements, the coin that performed best and a list of the coins with the best performance, while on the right is visible the win rate for each coin, so as to have a clear statistical view. From the main list you then access the resources section. Currently the resources available are 3, but they can be implemented over time by the team of programmers. On the left you will find video call that allows you to use the service as a Zoom or a Google Meet. You can create instant or calendar videos, as well as customize them with your brand or create a dedicated one. In this section you will find the calendar of scheduled video calls. Further down the history of video calls already made. Also on the left is the tutorial section, consisting of video tutorials and multilingual PDF guides. The Mirra Bot website is translatable by default into Italian, English and Spanish. Under tutorials you will find Crypto News, a service updated every 10 minutes. Here is collected the most relevant information from the main crypto trading and cryptocurrency sites. Through filters you can select the coin of your interest, view updated videos, the most impactful news and understand if a news has had a positive, neutral or negative impact. By clicking on a news item you can directly access the full article. In the events section you can view the most relevant events associated with specific cryptocurrencies and analyze their sentiment. Using the filters, you can select the time frame 7 days, 3 days, today or yesterday, or choose directly the coin of your interest to evaluate its media impact. Finally, in the top mentioned section you will find the list of the most mentioned coins, updated every 10 minutes according to the selected time interval. For example, today we see that Bitcoin has 71 mentions, followed by Ripple with 31, Ethereum with 21. Looking at the previous day, Bitcoin had 229 mentions, Ripple 81, Ethereum 64. This section is entirely dedicated to news analysis. Through the account section, users can delve into the specifics of their referral networks. Here you will find the referral program, your reflink, the total earned, the amount available for withdrawal, the amount pending and the number of people present in your facility. Going down, you can configure the wallet. It is important to set it in USDC on the Polygon network to be able to withdraw network profits. Below you can enter a minimum amount of $10, always in USDC on the Polygon network. Withdrawals arrive within 24 hours of request. In the settings section you can set the API keys to Hyperliquid, remembering that Mirra Bot can operate both in DEX Hyperliquid and in CEX, in this case on BitGet. In the trading section you will find the Smart Money Bot, once subscribed and activated. In the My Subscriptions section you can decide whether to leave it with the default settings or customize it. Settings provide an option to enable proportional copy trading in varied percentage allocations, tailoring it to personal preference. Percentage with fixed percentage. Fixed, setting a fixed amount. You can decide how much to copy. 100% corresponds to a multiplier of 1, 50% to 0.5, while 200% indicates a multiplier doubled. You can also set a maximum size beyond which the bot cannot open positions. The system dynamically uses leverage from 3 to 7 based on the confidence evaluated by the artificial intelligence, but you can decide to set a maximum allowed leverage, for example for 3 or for 5. You can also choose whether to trade long only, short only or both modes, which remains the default setting. In the subscription section you will find the available subscriptions, monthly, semi-annual or annual. In the future, different subscription levels may be introduced depending on the features and new tools that will be integrated into the dashboard. Returning to settings, in the account section you can customize your profile, change your password, activate two-factor verification via Google Authenticator and enter your Telegram username. Notifications of opening, closing, take profit, news and internal communications will be sent directly to your Telegram user. The support section allows you to submit detailed tickets including issue category, priority, and pertinent details for resolution. At the top right you will find the notification bell that reports updates both in the dashboard and on Telegram. You can also choose the language of the dashboard between Italian, English and Spanish. Select the light dark mode and use the refresh button to update any changes made.